Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, my name is Venice Aka and I make videos of my travels and lifestyle here in Japan. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please tap that subscribe button and it will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. For this video, I'll be showing you a few clips of our travel at the Fukuroda Falls in Daiko, Ibaraki, so please stay tuned. Fukuroda Falls is 159 kilometers away from Tokyo and takes about 2 hours and 15 minutes to reach. Since we are coming from Utsunomiya, which is significantly closer to Ibaraki, it only took us 1 hour and 27 minutes to reach the place. There is an admission fee of 300 yen per adult, 150 yen per child, and if you are a group of 50 or more, you get 50% discount for each person. These fees are mainly for the usage of the viewing decks and the elevators. We are walking in the tunnel, going to the waterfalls. I want to swim in the pool. Okay. Wow. Shin-chan, dami. Dami desho. You're so mean. Go ahead, go ahead. You're playing with the bridge. I hate you. You can see the falls from here. There's the thick forest. And there's my husband right there. It's really quiet. Silverfish. Wow. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to receive your feedbacks. So until next time, goodbye.